Brr. Bener. Kurang ajar, kurang ajar. Astagfirullahaladzim. Ayo, belum ada nih live-nya. Oke, udah ada. Kenapa lagi nih kamu mulai? Oke, udah. Aman ya, harusnya aman. Oke. Kenapa lagi nih? Harusnya sih aman. Harusnya. Oke, udah. Coba lihat dulu deh. Aduh, nih muter-muter aja. Kalau bang, aku Claudio. Sabar Claudio. Lagi nge-lag ya? Lagi nge-lag ya? Nge-lag ya? Nge-lag nggak sih? Apa handphoneku? Aduh. Enggak, hah? Enggak. Dia aku nge-lag loh. Enggak, bener serius enggak nge-lag. Oh. Apa ini asap? Inian loh. Apa namanya? Tak ulti aja. Banyak benar by the way. HP abang kali mungkin ya. Jadi aku nge-lag banget. Hey, sabar dulu. Buset deh. Astagfirullah. Ya. Nih listrik tuh. Nih, tuh. Aduh. Stability deh. Biar cepet. Oke, heal dulu. Oh iya, udah nggak nge-lag. Ulti. Let's go. Keluar. Bang abis ini maskar apa? Markas apa tuh? Markas Visible atau Demon. Oke.
That doesn't sound good.
Atau Prisoner. Aduh, ini Rhino ya? Dua biji loh. Mereka kemana? Hah? Halo? Kemana ini? Go to next cell. Block. Oh ini. Oke. Oh enggak, ini yang tadi kocak gimana sih? Udah ini. Out of frying pan. Ini kemana ya? Next block kan ini kan? Ini mah selnya. Halo? Ke atas pintu. Atas pintu ini. Itu ya? Oh iya. Terima kasih.
Hey, what's your status?
Me? Just trapped in a prison with every criminal I put away.
Oh. Lizard. Scorpion deng, kok lizard sih?
Scorpion, can you hold on a minute? I was in the middle of a phone call and it was business.
Bisa bercanda dia. Alright.
Lost you for a second there. You okay?
Not really. Electro, Rhino, and now Scorpion are all
Okay.
on the loose. What's going on in the rest of the prison?
Camera system's almost up. I'll give you a sit rep soon.
Ini prajuritnya Elektro semua ya? Apa pasukannya? Elektro semua kayaknya. Mereka, aduh, spektakuler emang susah. Gadget tuh harus dipakai. Bang, cutscene itu bisa di skip, ada di menu. Oke. Tapi aku nggak kayaknya aku nggak nge-skip deh. Aku kan pengen tahu jalan ceritanya soalnya. Tiba-tiba nonjok orang aja tuh. Yang lagi. Udah ya. Ini dia. Halo, kamu berantem? Kok kamu berantem sih? Kamu kan harusnya kerjasama melawan aku. Oke. Lanjut. Oh.
Come on, Spider-Man. I thought this was a chase.
Lawan Electro nih. Ayo sini lu. Keluar kita.
Tell me who you're working for. I'll go easy on you. Nobody ever takes me up on that offer.
Alah, salah. Mana dia? Situ. So far so good. Ini kayak kenal. Vulture. Oh, yang 6 itu ya. Bang, ini di misi ini semua bakal terungkap. Oke. Kita tunggu ya. Lah, kenapa ke sini? Spider-Man harusnya kan dia masuk kan ke situ ya. Kenapa malah jatuh ke air? Oke, kita tunggu terungkap bagaimana. Ayo, nah, gitu loh. Electro. Dia tuh lompat kan ya, Electro itu ya, kalau nggak salah. Langsung ditutup teleponnya. Claudio suaranya nggak double kan ya? Udah nggak double kan? Halo. Dia naik lagi tuh. Oh. Oke. Nice. Aduh, cepet banget. Nice. Nice. Come on. Enggak kok, oke. Berarti emang masalahnya di suara headsetku kegedean. Aku harus kecilin. Langsung 4 sih, langsung 4. Penjahatnya tuh 4 apa 6 ya tadi ya? Pokoknya genap deh. Oh. Banyak amat nih, mohon maaf. Halo. 5. Iya.
Good idea. In fact, we don't have to do this at all if you don't want to. We definitely want to.
Repotin lah. Masa langsung banyak begini, keroyokan gini mainnya. Oh. Satu lagi orang yang nggak bakal kita percaya. Oke. Berarti ada seperti apa namanya? Iya, ada 6 deh kalau nggak salah deh. Tadi ada fotonya. Wah, aku lagi dia. Ya. Aki-aki ala ki, udahlah. Nggak ketusuk kan ya tadi? Atau benar-benar ngeselin? Iya. Udah tua, kita bantuin kan? Mereka tuh mau ngapain ya? Emang ciri khasnya Spider-Man tuh musuhnya banyak ya. Yuri. Again and again. Aduh. Demonstrasi. Nama Osborn unknown you can trust. Abisnya apa tuh? Abis ini ke markas Sable, coba kalau belum bisa markas Demon Case atau Prisoner. Oke. Oh, Prisoner tuh udah ada ya berarti ya? Oh iya, udah pada keluar ya tadi ya. Ini dia. Apa? Devil Breath.
All these lies. It's over, Norman.
It's over, Norman.
Time to give them the truth.
4 yang nonton, tapi dari tadi itu ada yang 3, ada 2, ada 4. Cuma nggak ada yang komen. Jadi apakah orang-orang ini by the way di New York Times Square ya? Orang-orang itu jadi apa? Kalau yang hijau kan kadal ya. Kalau yang merah ini apaan? Aku kayaknya kurang nyimak. Curang, cuma dia pakai oksigen. Apa namanya, masker apa tuh, lupa aku. Bukan pakai oksigen itu. Pakai apa ya? Masker ada namanya deh. Lupa aku namanya. Kalau oksigen itu udara yang aduh berdarah.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Can you pass us?
Oksigen itu yang kita hirup. Keluarnya karbon dioksida. Oksigen kayak partikel gitu loh, molekul. MJ.
Meanwhile, Mayor Osborn has gone on record blaming Spider-Man for the prison break and citywide sickness, and branding him a fugitive. But he has yet to provide
Ini
evidence.
siapa? Norman.
The mayor is
Ya,
just
Norman.
deflecting blame, since an exclusive report by
Masih aja dia masih santai-santai
this disease
aja.
originated in a secret, unregulated Oscorp laboratory here in Manhattan. Mayor Osborn insists that Oscorp
Turn
is
it off.
NBC on anti-serum, but has not provided any further evidence to support this claim.
Oh, darah. Darah atau minumannya? Darah sih kayaknya. Aduh. Kapan tamatnya ya? Masih jauh kayaknya tamatnya. Penjahatnya aja baru pada muncul. Aku tuh udah 54% deh. Tadi udah setengah jalan menuju tamat deh.
Dr. Octavius, why? How did I let this happen?
Siapa nelpon? Yuri.
They said you went AWOL.
Need to get back to work.
The doctor said you still have 14 broken bones.
Which means I have
14
192
tulang.
non-broken ones.
Apa patah?
Thanks for taking care of me, by the way.
The hard part was keeping you hidden from
Oh, masih bisa gerak
They
gitu.
branded you
Masih
a
bisa gitu
priority
tuh.
target, you know.
Gimana
I
tuh?
humbly accept the honor. What is happening to our city, Yuri?
I don't know. Feels like the end of the world. Maybe it is.
Ini towernya bagus juga nih. Nah, ini kebetulan banget ada markasnya Demon, jadi kita coba. Oh, level up. Berarti kita ini dulu naikin skill. Skill tadi tuh yang 2 ini ya. Oke. Ini 1 kan ini. 1 bisa. Dah, beli aja. Oke, nice.
I'm here to help.
Karena prisoner kabur, jadi sekarang di gedung-gedung ada penjahat. Oke. Got it. Kita ke depan situ deh. Yuk.
I'll take care of him. What else you got?
The mayor told Silver Sable to do whatever it takes to find Lee and Octavius. So
tinggi
she's
banget,
just
mohon
rounding
maaf.
people up indiscriminately, holding them captive in...
Oke. Ini dia. Langsung ditutup teleponnya. Kayaknya kita langsung gas nggak sih? Atau enggak ya? Save langsung lah. Sable dulu bang. Sable belum bisa. Nih coba ya. View Legend, Black Cat, Demon, Face, Octavius, Spider-Man, Police Department, Miles Department. Tuh belum ada. Nanti kayaknya ada deh. Kalau udah ini. Kalau udah kebuka, soalnya kan Sable masih jadi teman kita kan di sini. Save.
Literally didn't see that coming.
Kita take down gini.
Can't have the ones inside feeling left out.
Ya udah, abis ini prisoner. Ntar. Prisoner tuh ada nggak sih? Adanya kayaknya cuma Fish doang deh. Fish. Demons. Iya, cuma Fish sama Demon doang. Nanti abis ini berarti kita ke ini aja ya. Ke Fish aja. Prisoner belum ada kayaknya. Kalau prisoner di ini deh, di lebih ke crime deh dia deh. Ada di map, ya udah nanti aku ini di kanan. Oke, coba lihat. Nanti aku cek. Ini aku udah masuk soalnya.
MJ, I'm at location number 2. Can you believe these demons wear their masks just like
Stealth
walking around?
takedown. Oke.
Must make for confusing staff meetings.
Kita berarti harus stealth kill 3 kali. 35 hit combo. Banyak juga. Bisa kesini, habis itu takedown. Oke, habis itu yang itu. Nice. Dah 3 nih. Ada 6 wave. Kayaknya kita take down snipernya dulu deh. No, kenapa ke situ? Pak, untung aja. Aku maunya ke sini nih, atas sini tadi. Tapi kok nggak bisa take down dia? Oh, dari sini. Nah, ini dia. Save. Let's go. Kayaknya kita bisa tarik itu deh. Tarik. Robo mas, robo. Barbar aja bang, oke. Abis ini kan pasti barbar kok. Soalnya ada objektif ini, stealth. Yang mana megang yang bahaya ya? Sudah ini aja langsung. Aku lebih suka stealth deh daripada barbar gitu. Ya udah langsung aja. Sabar, kalau masih bisa stealth kenapa harus barbar? Gitu aja. Langsung ketahuan. Betul. Aduh, tanganku udah pegel aja, baru sejam padahal. Halo, mana lagi? Oh ini. Makan nih apar. Tidak bisa. Enak saja kamu. Oh, udah mati. Serem kan, makanya. Let's go. Ke gadget kah? Bang, cara nambah web shooter gimana? Di upgrade gadgetnya nih, kayak gini nih. Ini gadget. Habis itu kamu pencet bullet sini nih, ditambah. Ini kan ada increase gadget shot capacity. Tambahin nih. Ini 2 nih. Buat capacity. Ini sebenarnya yang lain juga bisa aku upgrade. Cuma aku nggak terlalu dipakai yang lain. Makanya aku nggak upgrade. Yang kepake cuma sayang token ya soalnya. Yang kepake cuma web shooter doang. Oh. Wah. Nice. Tidak kena. Kok langsung keroyokan gitu kamu mainnya? Nice. Kamu ngapain? Lempar granat kamu ya? Makan nih. Nice. Ke gadget. Itu yang tadi ya. Nice, 35 hit kelar ya. Berarti kita dapat token tambahan kayaknya. Harusnya. Nice. Nice. 58, no, 60 kombonya. Jangan sampai ke hit berarti kita. Dan harus mukul terus. Nice. Nice. Pegel banget tangan, sumpah. Nice. Let's go. Kombonya lihat 101 kombonya. Nice. Wait, tidak kena. Ulti langsung. Nice. Mana lagi? Oh. Gila, kayak pro player ya. Nice. Let's go. Mana lagi kamu? Hey. Ini dia. Mereka tuh terjun dari atas. Ini Basoka. Keikat 2 langsung ya. Dah, selesai. That's it. 0 damage. 0 hit. Besok aku udah sekolah online, jadi moga bisa nonton abang besok live gak bang? Besok aku live, cuma kalau nggak bisa nonton ya nggak apa-apa. Nggak ada paksaan juga. Kalau nggak bisa nonton juga nggak apa. Loh, emang kamu hari ini libur? Udah sekolah online atau udah sekolah offline maksudnya? Kalau offline tuh datang ke sekolah. Kalau online kan dari rumah. Oke, habis ini kita ke Fist berarti.
Hey Yuri, I'll take care of the escape
Ke sekolah kamu.
What else you got?
Sekolah kayak normal. Bentar. Ini kok ada merah-merah gitu ya? Bentar. Wait a minute.
Don't worry.
Udah ada. Stable outpost and prisoner camp. Nah, ini baru ada nih. Nah, coba ya, kita samperin ya. Stable outpost. Kayaknya kita kesini deh. Yuk, yes, thank you. Itu di map ada prisoner. Udah. Aku ke Sable berarti. Ya, tadi ada titik-titik merah gitu. Dia tidur di belakang gitu. Duduknya di belakang gitu, nggak beli tiket ya. Kalau gitu ya. Enak juga. Ini prisoner. Orang lagi terbang. Ini dikeluarin aja nih. Dah. Pusing orang ngurusinnya. Cut. Ah, dah. Itu yang kabur, iya. Oke, kita langsung ke Sable ya. Ntar dulu, ini kok ada helikopter gitu? Ngapain dia? Oh, ini ada prisoner. Halo, Ai, kena. Ai. Tidak kena. Belajar dulu ya. Oh, belajar bertarung dulu baru jadi kriminal. Dah. Berarti di kanan. Tinggal di kanan tuh. Come on. Nah, di bawah sini. Halo. Ada yang pakai ini ya, ada pakai bazooka ya. Oh, ini Sable. Kirain aku. Ah, ini kayaknya bakal susah nih Sable kayak gini nih. Ah, langsung aja finisher. Nice. Dah lu. Oke, kita langsung ke apa itu? Oke, kita ke markas Sable. DualShock battery level. Oke, sabar. Aku ngecas dulu. Mereka itu warga jadi tawanan Sable. Oke, berarti Sable sekarang musuh kita ya. Oke, 5 stealth. Aku harus ini 5 stealth. Nice. Mana lampu? Oke, ini dia. Ini ada yang sendiri-sendiri. Itu kayaknya nggak bisa deh. Oke, ini kita web strike. Nice. 3 lagi. Kita stealth 3 lagi. Biar dapat token tambahan. Perch takedown. Nice. Oke. Nice, satu lagi. Come on. Di luar situ ada. Aduh, itu mah begituan ya. Nggak bisa. Ah, itu dia. Nah, ini bisa nih kayaknya nih. Yang di situ tuh, di pintu ini. Nah. Let's go. Yang down. Apa itu yang down? Kita pakai ini nggak sih? Apa namanya? Bom ini. Nah, web bom. Aduh. Ternyata ada bullet drop gitu loh. Okay. Nice. Kok banyak amat dia ya? Kayaknya ini bakal susah nih, ada 6 wave juga. Nice. Kita bikin cepet deh. Nice. Nice. Gila, apa itu barusan? Gerakan apa itu tadi? Cepet juga loh tadi. Dia geraknya si Peter Parker. Oke, apakah kita bisa? Nggak bisa diapa-apain ini. Kumaha ya? Gimana ya ini ya? Emang ada yang dibunuhnya lama karena nggak bisa di web. Oke. Oh, ini bisa ditarik. Mas, roboh mas. Coba cek deh. Oke. Ini kayaknya bisa ditarik juga. Tarik aja. Oke, nah. Mereka tuh nggak denger ya. Ah, satu lagi nih. Oke. Easy peasy. Bisa ditarik. Nice.
That's all of it. Let's find out what they were up to.
Ah, udah kelar. Oh, enggak deh. Ini ada.
I've engaged a Sable base.
Oh iya, bener
Looks like they've got
ngurung orang.
prisoners, but I don't
Bisa
know what
juga
they're
masuk
charged with, and I
ngedorong
don't wanna let dangerous people
di
back on the
tower.
streets.
The real criminals they turn over to us.
Oke,
The people
berarti
they hold
bisa
on
ditarik,
site
bisa
haven't
dorong
done
ya.
anything they can make a case over.
I can think
Bisa
of at
masuk
least
juga
two
berarti
amendments that violates.
Spider-Man-nya. Si Peter.
Okay, looks like I'm staging a jailbreak.
Oh.
So,
Ini
you were
bisa
little,
dibebasin
did you
dulu
say, I'm gonna grow up and be a fascist oppressor.
Ah,
Yeah, you probably did.
kayaknya bakal susah nih. Kena sendiri kan? Makanya jangan mainan bom, jangan mainan granat. Nih, jaring gitu. Oh. Dar. Oh, apa itu? Oh, benar-benar bisa ditarik ternyata. Ah, temenmu. Eits. Bam. Boom. Nice. Sakit, oi. Ngelempar granat lu ya. Nice. Langsung finisher aja biar cepet. Keren banget sih ini. Apa move-nya gitu, finishernya. Tembak kemana itu? Nembak apa? Hei, Peter Parker. Dar. Tinggi banget itu loncatannya. Ini box apa ini? Saya nggak ngerti. Bom. Dar. Nice. Let's go. Sabar bang. Nggak apa-apa. Aku nggak marah kok. Aduh. Segini aja spektakuler. Nggak ada bedanya sama Amazing dong. Nice. Nggak mau ngolongin loh dia loh. Eits, sini senjatamu. Oh, enggak, orangnya yang dilempar. Oh, mobil. Mereka tuh keluar terus. Ini wave berapa by the way? Dia tuh bisa ini loh, bisa nahan web shooter loh. Apa namanya? Kesetrum kan. Kalau aku friendly nggak apa-apa kan? Nggak apa. Kan orang punya caranya masing-masing buat namakin game. Toh ini juga bukan game kompetitif kan? Aduh, nggak nyampe. Ini ngapain orang ngebug di sini dia? Ada yang terbang. Ada yang ngebug terus itu tuh. Aduh. Kamu ngapain? Mana lagi? Eits, nembak. Eits. Aduh, nggak bisa di web shooter nih, Sable. Tuh nggak bisa, ada armornya gitu loh dia loh. Bakal repot nih. Nggak mati-mati lagi. Kuat amat. Halo, kok kamu kuat banget? Kok nggak mati-mati ini? Udah. Sampai 22 kali. Nice. Nah, ini bisa di web. Udah mati. Kirain belum. Aduh, apa sih itu? Nice. Tar lu itunya dulu. Bener. Udah mati kan itu? Ya udah. Tinggal darahku tinggal dikit. Kamu enak-enakan di sana. Nembakin dari belakang, dari jauh. Kok dari belakang sih? Mati dong. Sabar. Aktifin ini. Heal. Ayo heal terus. Sabar. Oke. Oh my god. Dia memang spektakuler, tidak bisa diremehkan. Bener-bener sakit banget. No. Sakit banget itu. No, aku kayaknya belum siap buat ngelawan itu. Jadi bye-bye. Ada misi lagi nggak, Yuri? Aku butuh misi deh buat ngejar tamat. Nah, itu deh.
Spider-Man, the Raft MVPs are back on the grid, laying siege to our police precincts. My men need your help now.
Okay.
Get to a vantage point in Midtown and I'll explain.
On my way. Is it Octavius?
No, 2 of his flunkies, still searching for the doctor. I have to be honest. That one
ada Basoka.
smartest supervillain I've ever encountered.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about.
Kayaknya aku belum siap deh buat ini. Buat apa namanya, ngelawan yang itu. Cyber itu. Ini apa sih? Fish Tower, perasaan udah di foto deh, Fish Tower. Aduh, buset di jalanan sekarang. Aduh. Apa ini? Mau jalan aja nggak damai, tidak tentram. Apakah kita pakai teori fast travel? Bang tahu Yudis gak, atau Shanin atau Irfan Gapur? Irfan Gapur aku tahu. Yudis Ardana aku tahu. Yudis. Yang tadi Shanin itu nggak tahu aku siapa. Yahoo. Apa sih JJJ? Dia YouTuber juga itu yang apa? Aduh, paling atas lagi. Let's go deh kalau gitu. Let's go lah kalau begitu. Iya. Aku nggak tahu itu yang Shanin itu. Aku nggak tahu yang Shanin. Ya, tapi kalau Irfan Gapur sama yang itu YouTuber misteri GTA aku nggak tahu. Apa itu? Oh. Let's go. Seru banget ini. Ujung-ujungnya. Come on. No.
The Veteran Center in Harlem. What's wrong?
Aduh, Sable juga jadi jahat. Sebenarnya mereka semua kan musuhan ya. Si Demons, si Fist, sama si Sable. Mereka semua musuhan.
Need to help Yuri, then get to Harlem.
Bang, aku main sambil nonton abang boleh? Nggak apa-apa, santai aja. Nggak nonton juga nggak apa-apa sebenarnya. Wah, ngapain itu? Apa itu tadi barusan? Sebenarnya kalau nggak mau nonton juga nggak apa-apa. Nggak ada paksaan.
Yuri,
Tenang
I'm
aja.
nearing the Upper East Precinct.
Good. Electro and the demons are boxing my men in. The setup is complicated.
Aduh, rame
You'll
banget.
understand when you get there.
Yuri walked
Sekarang di
around
gedung-gedung
and
nggak
last
bisa loh. Ini apa namanya? Ngetrik bukan apa-apa, ditembak. Ngetrik. Ah, ini elektro kayaknya. Halo elektro. Aduh, lawannya polisi. Do your thing.
This isn't good. Transformers are charging the building, trapping the police
Oh, demons.
inside. Yuri, complicated was an understatement. I'm gonna have to disable these transformers to free your men.
Even if you manage that, they'll still need your help with the demons.
Oh no.
That's why I'm here, ready to serve all your electricity and
Iya kan,
healing.
si demon sama ini musuhan. Aduh, kota kacau banget, Pak. Sabar.
5 transformers total. Loading them up with weapons.
Oh, ini harus dihancurin. Oke. Got it.
How did they even get that thing attached? Three to go.
Nice.
Man, I did not miss dealing with Electro's elaborate supervillain antics while he was in the raft.
Kayaknya di sini ada lagi deh.
Trapping
Oh
the
ya.
police with a network of energy
Kena
transformers?
sniper aku.
Who does that?
Oh. No. Sakit banget. Hey. Pedang. Kamu sniper. Tuh. Oke. Kita cuma perlu ininya doang kok. Nice. Dua lagi. Di mana ya? Oh, nyetrum, nggak bisa. Aduh, nggak bisa ke situ. Ini dia. Nah, satu lagi. Itu cuma perlu gitu-gitu doang kok. Ini dia. Di mana? Di sini ya? Mana sih? Oh no, udah tahu berlistrik, jangan ke situ. Aduh. Oh, di bawah. Kayaknya di bawah ya. Oh iya benar. Granat tuh. Aduh, nggak nyampe loh. Oh no. Granat. Nice, kelar semua. Lari, bodoh amat. Oke, sudah.
Police are free, but demons are backing down. Need to lend a hand.
Aduh, rusuh banget ini demon. Gini dong. Janji nggak nangis. Oh. Bener-bener nggak ada akhlaknya. Nembak aja. Ayo polisi bantuin dong. Nembak gitu kek atau apa gitu. Oh, benar-benar ya. Oh, di luar tuh hujan ya. Pantesan ada suara apaan. Oh iya, hujan. Hujan di rumahku. Nice.
Yuri,
Kita
your
ke
men are safe.
sana
What's
langsung.
next?
Yang
Get
satu
to
lagi.
the Upper West Side. We're trying to shelter civilians, but Rhino isn't making it easy.
He never does. On my way. Miles left a voicemail.
Pete. Hey, Pete. Hey, May wanted me to
Miles.
call you. Things in the Veteran Center are not good. Convicts are trying to break down the doors. Mary Jane's here, but we're getting people out of the basement. We need more help. I hope you can get here
Just
soon.
wait.
Get finished with the precincts fast and get to Harlem.
Oke, berarti ada satu lagi ya. Kita ke Fish kayaknya. Nanti habis ini. Oke, apa itu? Kok merah-merah kayak gitu? Mereka. Oke, ini dia. Tembak Rhino. Sama prisoner dia ya. No way.
Yuri, Rhino's on the move, but former guests of Rikers are laying into your police barricades. I'm gonna eat in the eye.
Up.
Do it.
Kena api aku.
Barricades fall, the people inside are done for.
Aduh, kenapa ulti ke situ ya? Bukannya ke yang bawa tongkat begini. Uts. Granat, ambil, lempar, langsung ulti ke tameng. Bawa ke atas, swing kick. Langsung, nice. It's. Oh no. Oke.
Never seen Rhino walk away from a fight.
Oke. Di depan sini. Oh, apa itu? Dia pakai apa? Oh no. Diikat dulu, ikat dulu. Nice. Aduh, rame banget. Nice. Ikat aja, ikat. Lempar langsung tembak lagi. Oh, udah mati, udah kelar. Udah, satu lagi. Oke, satu lagi. Nice. Apa sih itu? Kok tanda tanya? Kamu ada tanda tanyanya, Pak? Aduh, ada lah aja. Itu ngebug kayaknya ya. Oi. Aduh, sakit. Mamam tuh. Nice. Kesana. Oke. Dari tadi nembak aja kamu ya. Oh, udah. Ini nih, tinggal ini. Nice, udah selesai. Di atap. Basoka. Nggak ada akhlaknya. Ngapain nembak kayak gitu? Nggak diajarin sopan santun. Nice. Oh. Di tower itu ada bang, nggak kerasa udah setengah puasa walaupun aku iya ya, udah 16 hari lagi loh lebaran loh. Nggak, bener-bener nggak berasa. Udah 2 minggu. Aduh, tanganku pegel. Aduh, naon sih ini? Aduh, apa itu? Sable agent. Finishing baru itu ya. Nice. Ternyata bisa dia gituin. Dah jatuh. Eits. Sini basokannya, Kusita. Oh no. Oh, disituin. Sini saja langsung. Nice. Buang ke bawah loh. Nice. Kayaknya ininya dulu deh. Oh no, kenapa nyamperin situ? Oh. Ayo lo. Mana dia? Itu dia. Kenapa ke sini? Aduh, ganggu aja nih orang. Terjun kamu sana. No, nggak bisa. Kejauhan. Wah, bener sih ini sih. Ini ngerepotin banget yang beginian. Aduh, sakit banget. Aduh, nih masih ada basoka lagi. Sini kau. Ayo lo. Udah mati ya? Udah. Sudah kelar Yuri.
And I just found out what it means to be Sable's priority target. Not fun.
That'll teach you to piss off international mercenaries.
Rusuh.
Guess so. Okay, I need to sign off for a bit. Call me if things go south.
Will do. And thanks. You've given us a fighting chance.
Okay. Need to hustle to Feast's sister site in Harlem and help May.
Berarti kita ke Feast ya?
Thank God. We need you at the Veterans Center. Where are you?
I got held up. Are you okay? What's happening?
The convicts started a fire. We got the building staff out, but May and Miles are trapped inside. I'm trying to find a way into them, but the fire's spreading so fast.
Stay where you are, MJ. I'll handle this. Damn it.
Yeah,
Move it, Pete. Move!
Berarti si Miles kejebak ya sama si MJ. Itu dia. Aduh, ada backpack lagi di sini. Ya bolehlah ambil backpack dulu. Ambil backpack dulu lah ya. Apa ini? Oh, pin. Oh, udah banyak ternyata backpack yang aku dapat. Ini dia. Veteran Center kan. Di atas. Oke.
Peter, fire and rescue's on the way. I found a fire escape that'll get me.
MJ, stay back. I don't want to have to rescue you too.
Peter, don't be crazy. Wait for help.
May!
Miles, itu Miles ya? Banyak orang tua lagi di sini. Oh.
Hang on! May, you right? Get to the window! It's too far. Hold on.
Oh, siapa itu? Oh, MJ. Untung aja. Kirain siapa?
Just brace yourselves. Come on, you stupid piece of...
Okay.
Come on, May. I've got you.
Ayo.
Oh my God.
Go! Go!
Miles gimana?
Miles, come on. No.
Aduh. Emang sense-nya tuh bisa loh dia nangkep kayak gitu sih, Mal. Bisa dia nangkep kayak gitu.
We've got you. We've got you.
Jam berapa sekarang? 1:30. Masih 1:30. 1:30 sih. Oke. Now what? Ya, kota rusuh. Kerusuhan.
Is May okay?
Everyone is safe.
MJ, if it weren't for you and Miles, I would have been...
As dead as I would have been the last 8,500 times you saved me. Pretty sure I still owe you a few.
That's smart.
Hey,
Bang, aku lagi main Spider-Man. Oh, kamu ngulang lagi ya?
sorry I screwed things up.
Kamu ngulang lagi storynya.
Hard being the one who always gets saved, you know. Sometimes I want to do the saving.
Sorry I made you feel like you couldn't. Still partners?
Always.
Hey, so I didn't know if, you wanted sparkling or flat or spring or mountain spring. So I got one of each.
Iya, oke.
Am I interrupting?
No. MJ, Ms. Watson, and I were just talking strategy.
Mary Jane Watson
That's
ya.
right. The city is in danger. It needs our help.
All of our help.
All right, well, call the play, coach.
Okay. Divide and conquer. Ms. Watson, we need an anti-serum for Devil's Breath. Oscorp's developing something, but there's
Kayaknya
no
kita
way
bakal
they can
pakai
keep it
Miles
safe from
lagi deh.
Octavius and Lee.
Feelingku ya, atau enggak ya?
Find the cure.
Kayaknya kita bakal
Chase down some leads.
ini pakai MJ, pakai Miles.
You need to be my eyes and ears at the feast. Anything goes wrong, call me. We need to
Okay.
keep that place and the people there safe.
All right, got it. What are you gonna do?
Gang of costume nut jobs is taking the city apart piece by piece. Time I return the favor.
Hey, wait, how do I call you? I mean, do you have like a cell phone in your pockets or something?
Ms. Watson can give you my number. Good luck, team.
Bang, aku ngikutin sambil main. Iya, oke, santai aja. Kalau kamu main-main aja, nggak apa.
Show me what you got in this water.
Santai. Jangan dianggap beban. Oke. Next mission. 5.000 loh dapat ininya.
City feels a little more under control.
Aduh,
Miles
swing
is
speed
watching the feast.
5%.
MJ is tracking.
Oke, ada suit baru kah? Oke, ada gadget baru. Apa ini? Biomesh. Oke, ini lumayan, cuma kayaknya aku nggak pakai. Reduce incoming blast enggak. Live support enggak perlu. Oke, ntar aja kali ya ini ya. Oke. Ada baju baru. Baju apakah ini? Apa ini? 2009 Spider-Man low gravity. Aduh, ada lagi low gravity. Skill. Kita punya 2 skill point. Oh, ini kosnya 3 loh. Ah, ini nih. Kita tunggu satu lagi kali ya.
Time for me to focus on finding Otto, stopping whatever he has planned.
Oke, kita tunggu satu lagi deh.
We need to start tracking the big boys. Still no leads on Octavius?
No, nothing. Forensics can't even do a sweep of Times Square. Everyone in that department but the intern is sick.
I might be able to turn something up. But you know what I
Aduh, udah dikeker aja tuh. Unknown caller.
Gee, thanks, creepy stalker guy.
Apa? Taskmaster.
That's kind of on the nose.
There's a group of mercenaries committing crimes across the city.
These mercenaries wouldn't happen to be your
Kita cuekin
mercenaries,
aja lah ya
would they?
begitu-begituan ya. Polisi pada lembur, semua lembur. Masalahnya di seluruh kota nih. Ah, ini New York Times Square. Oke.
Spider-Man.
Hey,
Lend a hand.
of course.
Thought you might need one, officer.
You don't know the half of it. Never seen anything like this devil's breath stuff. Forensics is having a hell of a time.
News reports say this is where Otto released Devil's Breath.
Investigate.
Some residue on this sign. Maybe I can isolate it.
Aduh, puzzle lagi nih.
AT rich leader sequence. This looks promising.
Ini terus ini nice, ini dah selesai. Enggak, ini yang ini. Dah. Easy peasy.
Oscorp's modified CPF-1. Definitely Devil's Breath. Should be able to track the dispersal path now. Trail goes in a few directions.
Ada kanan, ada
Need to find the
kiri.
right one.
Kita ke kiri deh. Oke, ke sini. Oke, terus kemana? Kiri lagi.
Trail's gone cold.
Berarti yang kanan ya? Oke, ke kanan situ deh. Yuk, coba. Oke, let's go. Ah, iya kayaknya. Ah, iya benar-benar kayaknya kesini. Ini trail apa ya?
Trail jumps between these buildings. The trail leads down into those vents. What was Otto doing up here? There should be a door or an access hatch around here.
Ayo kita ngapain ini, Peter? Open. Masuk sini. Oke, come on.
This is moody. Must be some way to hit the lights.
Kayaknya kita pakai
Let there be light. Whoa. Was Otto using this as a staging ground? Chaos of the prison break would have been perfect cover to move in. Otto's rage is driving him. The neural interface is exacerbating it. But his hate is genuine. He'll destroy the whole city to hurt Norman. Martin Lee. Can't believe
Bang, aku kan main Master League tapi kalah mulu.
Looks like Otto recorded messages for his crew.
Kalau ini aja levelnya di ini, levelnya di apa namanya? Di apa diturunin levelnya.
Seems like Otto and Lee have more of a history than I thought. How long have they known each other?
Kok ada topeng-topeng kayak gini ya? Katanya si Lee sama si... Aku juga dulu malah main di level apa? Master League.
Little Rhino, my second favorite Russian.
Alexei, I've followed your career with great interest. The world sees
Mac Gargan, aka Scorpion, aka
profesional. Oh, profesional kalau apa namanya? Kalau profesional tuh masih bisa ini trupas-trupas, masih OP. Main trupas-trupas saja. Kau pakai tim apa emang?
Adrian, what bitter irony that your miraculous wings should have brought such horrors on your body.
Pasukan-pasukannya ya, tentara. Iya, teman-temannya ini Rhino. Ya tahu dah. Aduh, ya Allah, aku capek banget. Aduh. What's that? Lagi capek banget aku, sumpah. Nggak tahu kenapa ini.
Otto developed a corrosive to free Rhino from his suit.
No kan ini.
A certain government agency spent years trying and failing to do that.
Bang nge-lag, masa nge-lag? Mbak, refresh lagi deh. Soalnya di aku nggak nge-lag. Aku juga nonton soalnya sambil nonton.
Otto's developing an experimental treatment to save him. Electro. Total live wire that one. Electro's big pipe dream is to become pure energy. Doc actually managed to modify his harness to get a little closer to that goal.
Ini apa? Map.
What's this now? Otto must have used this map to plan.
Map.
Unless there's something here I'm missing.
Itu apa? Aduh.
UV bulb. Nothing happened. Must be a way to get that lamp on.
Ini
looks
apa?
Like Otto's been studying Sable's tech for weaknesses.
Ini nggak perlu. Ini ada ini. Oh, apa itu? Bisa dinyalain kah?
There we go.
Electric webnya habis dong. Itu dia.
Hidden markings.
Ini kayak pulpen yang dijual di abang-abang mainan.
What's Vulture doing in Times Square? I need to keep my guard up.
Vulture, Oscorp.
Seems like the last stage of the plan is a direct assault on Oscorp. And Scorpion must be trying to poison the city's reservoir. Another Oscorp-owned property. Rhino's targeting Oscorp's shoreline properties.
Elektro. Oh, ini kita dapat apa namanya? Mereka bakal nyerang di bagian-bagian mana aja. Oke. So, sekarang gimana? Ini. Masih investigate. Udah kan? Apalagi?
It's rare for me to admit this, Mr. Gargan. Clearing your debts was more difficult
ini
than
belum.
anticipated.
Dari intrek semua.
Oscorp has snaked itself throughout the city. Power, communication, public safety. Norman made his company.
Oke, udah. Lalu apa? Ngapain lagi dong kita ini? Oh, ini belum. To secure. Aku capek banget loh, bener. Terus kita kemana? Masih suruh investigate. Oh, itu ada yang baru.
Icarus, this is it.
Hello, Spider-Man.
Oh.
We've never been properly introduced. I'm
Otto Octavius. There is no Icarus, is there?
No. Martin needs no assistance to secure the anti-serum. Icarus was a ruse to get you into position.
Tadi aku cabut gigi depan atau gigi mana yang dicabut? Aduh.
Need a lift? So refreshing to work for a man like Octavius. Backup plans for his backup plans.
Hey, Pete, are you okay? What's happening?
Traffic's
Ada
wrong.
telepon.
Listen, Lee's gunning for the anti-serum. We need to find Oscorp's Devil's Breath lab before he does.
On it right now. Pull up every building permit in the
Oh.
city. If there's a record of the lab, I'll find it.
Ini mau diseret kemana lagi?
Talk soon, MJ.
Oh, elektro. Oh no. Itu kan talinya si Saber kan?
Trap failed? Softened him up. Time for plan B.
Plan B. Oh. Kayaknya kita boss fight kah? I don't know. Aduh, nggak bisa. Belum bisa. Nggak bisa juga. Oh, web shooter bisa di stun, oke. Oh, nice, bisa digituin ternyata. Ngapain ribet-ribet? Tembak. Nice. Ini lawan apa? Bos pertama kita berarti. Oh no.
Can't attack while his guard's up. Need to stun or surprise him. Now's my chance.
Kamu ngapain? Nice.
I must break you.
You got it. You got my joke. I'm so happy I could almost stop fighting. Almost.
Oke, keren juga nih fight-nya. Oh. Ke sono dong. Web shooternya mana? Aduh. Langsung. Oh, terlalu lama. Stun, nice. Oh, udah nggak bisa. Langsung lempar balik, nggak bisa dilempar balik. Oke. Lempar lagi balik. Kuat juga nih Anda. Kalian kuat juga. Oh, ini listriknya sih annoying banget ya. Halo. Dari mana sih dia? Si elektronya. Oh. Dari mana dah? Si elektro dah. Oh, ini. Nice. Oh. Ayo R1. Mantap. Aduh, nggak kena. Nggak apa namanya. Nggak pas di lingkarannya. Salah sekali langsung mati. Emang harus bener. Nggak boleh salah. Ulang dari sini dong. Oke. Nice.
He doesn't stand a chance.
Again, hate to be the pessimist, but I don't think you guys are assessing this situation accurately.
Ayo lo. Ups. Aduh, nggak kena dia. Mana sih yang hijau-hijau? Oh. Miss me, now you got. Apa gedenya ya tadi? Aduh, nggak mati-mati, halo. Oh no. Sakit. Ayo lo, sini lo. Boom. Nice. Wah, bener-bener loh elektro ini. Ambil, lempar. Mantap. Aduh, kena pesawat-pesawatan gitu lagi. Enak gak tuh makan pesawat sendiri, Lagi, aduh, elektro ini nyebelin juga loh. Boom. Nggak mati-mati, hei halo. Kok nggak mati-mati ya, mohon maaf. Nice. Ketun dia. Aduh. Oh. Ayo tembak. No. Oke, udah akhirnya.
Down, one to go. How many times have we done this dance, Adrian? A dozen? 2 dozen?
Lagi dong.
Tonight will be your last waltz.
Oh no. Mana dia? Ini terbang-terbangan kayak gini, coba lah ribet juga. Nice. Segitiga lagi. Nice, sudah selesai. Halo botak.
Electro's been grounded.
Spider-Man, I presume. If you really cared about this city, you'd be helping me expose Osborn for the criminal he is.
By killing innocent people?
I would have restored the power.
You're sick. You need help.
I have all the help I need. And we will not stop until Norman gets what he deserves.
Mau balas dendam. Balas dendam berarti si Otto ya.
I hate it when they team up. Just need to catch my breath.
Istirahat dulu. Kita pakai MJ atau Miles kah di sini? Oh ya ampun. Hujan.
What? Oh man.
Pemainnya nggak dikasih istirahat. Capek loh.
Yuri, Vulture and Electro are down. 4 to go.
Kayak total skill point 3. Langsung aja. Ada suit baru. Ah, ini dia. Nah, ini dia nih. Nah, ini ya spider suit ya. Buat ini kali ya. Aku buat ini deh. Buat gak nih? Aku buat gak nih? Coba aku nanya deh ya. Ntar, aku nunggu rekomendasi. Menunggu rekomendasi dari apa namanya, beli nggak, buat nggak, jangan ini bagus loh nih. Nah ini kayak ada apa iron armnya gitu dari belakang. Apa next kostum aja? Ya udah boleh deh, next kostum ya. Berarti aku pakai ini dulu.
Nothing gets by you. It was Octavius' staging ground. He's using the villains to pull apart Oscorp. Vulture and Electro
apa
were
itu?
targeting power
Ada sniper.
Scorpion's going after water treatment. Not sure about Rhino.
Oh enggak deh, itu Black Cat. Black Cat deh boleh deh, ya kan? Boleh lah, kita ambil Black Cat. Nah. Oh. Ada yang nembak. Jangan ditembak dulu dong. Mau moto nih. Ah, itu dia. Ah, nah itu dia. Di mana ya? Di sekitar sini kok. Nah, ini dia. Halo.
Cornelius Van Lunt's place. She's hitting places full of one-of-a-kind valuables.
Coba di bawah
She
situ.
must be working for someone. Otherwise, why not just steal cash?
Oh iya loh, ada loh.
This is Sable Control. Need an update from Devil's Shelf. Over. Control.
Aku tak peduli dengan crime mah gampang. Iniinnya. Nice. Oi.
Check on Miles.
Oi.
That's what I was
I'm
gonna
good.
ask you. I'm fine, but you and May are in the middle of it.
We're busy, but people need help. And I'd rather be doing something than waiting around for somebody else to fix things, you know?
Yeah, I heard that. Just make sure you protect yourself. Mask and gloves.
Okay.
And rest every now and then. All that goes double for May.
Nobody can make
Ayolah,
that
aduh.
break what she doesn't want to. But I'll do my best.
Thanks, Miles.
Ini udah nggak
Give
bisa.
May my love. And be safe.
Trik. Apa sulit deh. Kayaknya ngetrik kayak gitu sekarang. Banyak yang nembakin, bukan apa-apa. Oh ini markas Sable. Biarin aja, kita lewat. Mungkin kita bisa apa namanya, rubuhin ini, kita lanjut. Oke.
Yuri, I have eyes on a Sable base. They've got prisoners.
Lo kok di bawah? Elah, di bawah lagi. Males banget ya. Let's go. Ke kanan.
There's the reservoir. No sign of Scorpion. Better take a closer look.
Nice.
Now, if I was a mercenary dressed like a Scorpion, where would I be?
Oh.
Behind you.
Aduh. Sakit tuh.
I'd end it now, but Octavius is paying, and he wants to torture you, which I respect.
Damn it! What did he
Aduh,
inject
keracun.
me with?
Racun apa itu? Halusinasi. Sepertinya.
Whoa.
Iya.
What the? Is that a sea of poison? Can't be. This can't be real. Must be the poison. But I can't take any chances. Gotta get to higher ground and analyze whatever he injected me with.
Oh ini mah halusinasi ya? Kayaknya. Sempat aja spider roll kayak gitu loh. Oke, higher.
Okay, should be safe for a minute. Need to analyze the neurotoxin.
Bang pembalap itu pernah bilang, iyalah. Kamu suka balapan emang?
Scorpions made some upgrades.
Ini dia. Oke. Nice. Kayak gini pakai yang ini. Nice. Iya, kamu nontonnya balapan apa, Claudio? F1 atau MotoGP atau apa gitu, atau lari, atletik.
I have to create the antidote fast. First, I need a natural steroid. Extract from an the alba plant should do the trick. ESU's greenhouse is nearby. Hope it's in season.
Let's go. Hampir jatuh. Ah, ini dia. Oh. MotoGP. Oh, kamu suka nonton MotoGP. Aku kurang suka MotoGP. Bukan kurang suka, aku nggak ngikutin MotoGP soalnya. Aku lagi belakangan ini aku lagi ngikutin ini F1. Oh, halusinasi lagi. Buka.
It's just the hallucinations intensifying. You can get through this.
Doc, you sound
like I did before the neural interface affected my mind. My obsessions were always there, but the interface allowed me to fully embrace them.
I have to fix this. Fix you. Somehow.
Peter. Always trying to shoulder the responsibility, even when there's no hope. I can't tell you how many times your unfettered optimism has kept me going when things look bleak. I'll miss being with you. I really will.
Aku nge-swing cepet banget itu. Apa ini? Tumbuhan. Aku sebenarnya juga suka F1. Oh, kamu nonton apa namanya yang kemarin nggak, yang Australia? Wah, kena itu. Aduh. Yang di Melbourne.
To mix a permanent antidote. One of Harry's research stations was developing a synthetic atropine. Gotta get there fast.
Oh.
Giant deadly scorpion tails. Lovely. Thanks, brain.
Aduh. Scorpion.
Scorpion? How'd you get this number?
Oh. Hati-hati.
It's not how am I calling you. Am I calling you? Maybe I'm just the fevered screams of your dying brain.
Nonton. Enggak, menurut kamu gini deh, menurut kamu nanti yang juara siapa season ini? Prediksi yang juara season ini. Yang juara musim ini. Aduh, awas.
There's the research station. We need that atropine.
Ini dia.
Have to get into the atropines right there.
Sumpah aku lama-lama ketiduran ini. Lewis Hamilton. Feelingku sih Leclerc sih, lebih ke Leclerc aku daripada Hamilton, soalnya belakangan ini kan nggak masuk podium 1, 2, 3 loh. 5, 4. Emang masih 3 race sih, kan nggak tahu juga ke depannya. Tapi feelingku tetap Leclerc yang juara musim ini.
I'm sorry. I'll find a way to help you. I swear it.
Stop deluding yourself. You never help anyone. Poison isn't it. You are the poison.
Nggak bisa lari ya? Oh.
Everyone you touch suffers.
Stop running from me. Let me try.
I want nothing from you.
Apa itu?
You're a man. And life, love,
Oke.
career. You bring nothing but pain.
No, stop. I'm not giving up on you. Please, just talk to me. I can help you.
So you can treat me like all the rest? Containing me? Suffocating me? No. I will let my genius shine.
The atropine.
Kemana kita? Ah, ini. Apa ini? Aduh. Lagi. Masa begini lagi? Come on. Oh no. Lagi. Lagi, begini lagi. Oke, let's go. Jangan sampai. Nonton 5, waduh. Banyak juga. Ups. Hampir jatuh. Aduh, banyak banget. Halo, halo, halo. Tolong dong. Oke. Oh. Oh, banyak banget. Sumpah kok merinding ya aku ya. Aku merinding loh.
Somehow. But I'm running out of time. I need to mix the antidote. Finally.
Again and again. Ayo. Oke.
I think not. You're in my domain. You're just like us, trying to steal my genius. Everything that happens now is your fault. Don't I forgot about you?
Scorpion.
Oh, Scorpion.
Hold still. I'll show you.
Gave me an opening.
Langsung ulti. Nice. Finisher. Apa itu? Oke. Oh no. Aduh, banyak banget. Oh no, nggak bisa ini. Oke, 2 down. Mana lagi? Oke, untung aja. Oke. Upsi. Mana. Kita tembakin. Oke. Nice. Oh, kok dia bisa? Aduh, yang ono, yang bawah. Come on, nice. Oh, sakit banget tuh. Mohon maaf. Aku lapar.
Hope that's the last of them. I can barely stand up. There's the centrifuge I need.
Kok langsung? Oh.
I think I did it.
Oke. Tapi loh.
I think I took decontamination a little too far. I better put some clothes on. Much better. Let's just go ahead and forget that ever happened.
Udah keluar. Berarti udah normal nih. Masa keluar gitu aja? Scorpion. Ada pula racun kayak gitu. Oke, semua sudah kembali menjadi normal.
Need to work the last of this poison out of my system before I tackle the other villains. Good time to go on.
Kita ada skill 2. Oke. Kita tunggu. Explore city. Oh no. Berantem aja lah kita lah ya. Aduh, nyangkut. Nice.
We are receiving reports of looting. Need immediate response to Chelsea. Over.
Bang, aku nggak chat karena main gak apa-apa kan? Gak apa-apa, santai aja. Santai.
MJ, hey, you mind if I toss a kind of thorny ethical question at you? When is it okay to give up on a friend?
Untung yang itu langsung.
That obvious, huh?
Yeah, understandable though.
Ups. Kena.
The high-minded generous part of me wants to say never.
Motor. Oh, lu pakai motor berantem. Motor lagi nih. Nih kotak pos. Penutup. Tong sampah. Aduh, nggak kena lagi. Motor lagi nih. Motor.
Call me anytime, Pete. I'm here for you.
Udah. Saya belum dapat ininya. Oh, belum mati lah. Ada. Ayo misi baru dong. Nggak ada misi lagi. Sable. Boom.
Good. Tell your friends.
Aduh, kenapa jadi Warzone begini? Oke. Oh. Dah selesai. Sable. Ini Sable. Oke, ada misi baru. Kita langsung ke misi. Let's go. Di jalanan sekarang udah penuh sama penjahat-penjahat. Level up, yes. Kita upgrade dulu. Ada suit baru, ada baju baru. Ini ada. Ini apa, Pak? Masih live aja padahal ditinggal belajar. Ya gimana, ngapain lagi aku mas, daripada gabut nggak jelas. Paling kalau nggak nge-live nonton drakor ya nggak buat. Ini penting. Apalagi sekarang musuh udah pada pakai basoka. Kamu udah kelar bot belajarnya bot? Lama amat sampai jam 3. Bukannya kamu mah biasanya sampai siang. Nonton drakor nggak tuh? Ya aku ada apa namanya, lagi ngikutin film. Dikasih tahu ini bagus, ternyata emang bagus. Tinggal beberapa episode kok. Oke, Fis. Aku udah tinggal beberapa episode tamat.
Right over here. Until Miles gets back, the best thing we can do is keep everyone fed. Oh, Peter, it is so good to see you. How are you? Healthy?
I'm good. How are you holding up, May?
Good, but busy.
Recommended dong.
Let me go.
Ini Happiness.
Oh, there.
Ada di Netflix kok.
I'm okay.
Di IKI juga ada.
Didn't you tell me something once about accepting that I'm human just like everyone else?
Tuh.
You and that. Masters at turning my own words against me. I'm fine, Peter. Just.
Aku udah capek, ngomong.
Could he help out?
Oh, he is. He's off picking up medical supplies from the relief center. It's amazing how quickly we go through antibiotics.
Okay. You stay off your feet for a bit. I'll organize the unloading and check in with Miles. Deal?
Deal. Give me a chance to nurse my wounded Parker Croft.
Come on, Miles, answer. Don't make me worry about you and May.
Apa nih? Kok begini? Kok di delete? Tar lu. Kok di delete? Loh. Salah mencet. Salah mencet. Apa itu tadi message-nya? Lah. Sorry. Tadi itu apa? Message-nya isinya. Kok aku delete sih? Salah pencet. Chat ulang deh. Tadi kamu ngechat apa?
Need to distract him. Hacking app should work. Time to move. Should be able to hop that wall. Medical containers in that tent.
Awas, ada beling.
See the way you came through here? Guys like an animal. Both of them are. But they're on our side. You two, get over here.
Iodine, no antibiotics. Need to keep looking.
Sorry bang, itu kakakku. Nggak apa-apa. Aku nanti kalau aku jawab, takutnya aku salah jawab. Daripada salah jawab, kemudian diam. Ya. Harus ngapain? Halo? Ngapain ini?
I heard that. This can stop right now. Just give us the locations and schedules for the supply.
Ini antibiotik kan? Antibiotiknya ini kan? Oh. Sorry bang, itu kakakku, tidak apa-apa. Daripada aku ngejawab, ntar takutnya salah. Ini.
Iodine, no antibiotics.
Hack. Nice.
This can stop right now. Just give us the locations and schedules for your supplies.
Sable itu.
More supplies over there. Need to get past these guys.
Nice. Untung si Miles bisa ngehack kayak gini ya. Hack lagi. No. Aduh.
supplies over there. Need to get past these guys.
This can stop over now. Just give us the locations and schedules for supplies.
I don't have that.
Why are the super so set on taking out these elites?
Ini dia. Kamu ya ternyata. Yang dihack tuh ini ya. Oh jangan. Oke.
No antibiotics. Somewhere.
Ini ada kardus, jangan sampai kesenggol. Ada sniper di situ ya. Pancing sini dah. Jangan sampai kena lasernya. Go. Nice. Nanti kamu juga belajar kok. Aku takutnya menjelaskannya salah. Takutnya pemahamannya salah kamu. Jadi aku diam aja. Atau enggak kamu tanya mama kamu juga boleh, orang tua. Nanya yang lebih dewasa lah. Aku tidak ada wewenang untuk menjawab itu.
Gentlemen, I apologize. My associate is inelegant.
Aduh, ngeri juga nih Scorpion.
He doesn't understand the fine art of persuasion. Did not need to see that.
Antibiotik ya. Oke, dapat 2. Oh no. Oh. Masa kita si Mas lawan ini sih, lawan Rhino? Oh.
Maybe I can sneak.
We are having fun with lights now. I will have fun.
Oke. Semoga aja nggak jatuh ya. Ada yang bisa dihack? No! Aduh. Mati lagi. Kalah lagi, gagal lagi. Aduh, ngulang dari sini.
Promise not to crush.
Kita harus kemana sih? Sini. Oke. Oh.
Wait for it.
No.
I do not need this.
Oke. Go. Pelan-pelan kita ke kiri. Oh iya benar, ke kiri. Masuk sini. Nice one. Kita turun sini. Masuk. Ini dia tuh nyadar ya ada orang di sini ya. Oh.
Oh man. Okay. I gotta get out of here.
Oh. Ayo cepetan, Wan.
Maybe if I get up there.
Di mana?
There. That container. That's my exit.
Jadi hack. Ayo, no. Lari, cepetan. Oh, kita kayaknya harus memanfaatkan kekuatan dia. Nah, lo. Hancur. Nah, itu dia.
Go.
Oh, dia ngangkat ini kah? Oh enggak. Oke, aman ya. Berarti antibiotiknya kita dapat. Selamat. Itu dia antibiotik. Prisoner.
Just give us the wallet. Give it us, man. Help!
Oh iya, kalau orang Amerika tuh sedikit nggak peduli ya. Oh.
Big mistake, kid.
You can't just push people around like that.
Or what? Like this? Haha. Kid's got guts.
Hip square.
Oh, ini yang diajarin sama Peter ya.
What the hell's he saying? Not gonna be saying anything in a second.
Oh.
Whoa.
You want a taste?
Nah, I'm good, kid.
Want a taste?
What a taste.
Gotta work on my fight banner.
Miles? Hey, I've been trying to reach you. You okay?
Hey, so, don't freak out, but, I gotta fill you in on some stuff.
Oke, berarti tinggal MJ. Apakah kita jadi Peter lagi? Bermain sebagai Peter Parker. Oh, Peter Parker lagi. Oke. 5.000 XP. Naik level.
If the convicts get desperate, they may try to raid the shelter.
Way ahead of you. Anything else happens here, I'll let you know.
Great. Thanks, Miles.
Skill ada 1, kita nunggu 2 aja deh. Ini apa? Oke. Ini penting sih. Tapi nggak terlalu penting juga. Lebih penting apa namanya? Ini. Kayaknya enggak deh. Ini deh. Ini aja. Jadi web strike kita lebih sakit damage-nya.
He's attacking Oscorp's relief centers.
Think I know which one he's hitting next. Reports of a possible earthquake and or demolition derby at the Harlem Center.
Sounds like our boy. Headed there now.
You holding up okay?
Tired, but hanging in there.
We'll get through this. Keep the faith.
Oh no. Ada Sable sama ya dan lain-lain lah ya. Aku belum butuh apa namanya, belum butuh crime sih. Crime token ada lumayan. Nggak butuh banget. Oh 5 yang nonton, aduh banyak juga. Segitu banyak. Yang komen cuma si Claudio.
Hey MJ, what's up? You okay?
Bang setiap apa sih?
Combing through Oscorp records. Hey, this is
Bang
random,
setiap
but
subuh itu aku sering
remember that
kayak
trip to Staten
maksudnya
Island
gimana?
with Harry?
To find the best pizza in the city?
Maksudnya suara gimana?
10-hour odyssey for burnt toast with cold American cheese. How could I forget?
Something about all these old Oscorp files made that day pop into my head. Harry was so excited about riding the ferry. Just made me think about how much simpler
Ayo
things
dong.
were back then. No jobs, no super villains.
MJ.
You could throw away a whole day looking for bad pizza just cuz. Now it feels like if we take a nap, the world will fall apart.
Yeah, this adult thing is rough. But I guess the work we do means today's kids can have their own Staten Island adventures. In safety. It's kind of a circle of life thing.
Circle of bad pizza. Yeah, you're right. That's a good way to look at it.
Sakit.
Thanks, Pete.
Apa itu? Kok bisa ada gitu? Setiap hari.
Units with riot gear needed to respond to a violent disturbance.
Setiap hari kayak gitu.
Location is Museum Mile. Over.
Okay, nice. Kadang-kadang suara cewek apa? Hantu gitu.
Look, I'm busy, but I'm never too busy to lay the smackdown on hardened criminals.
What's our status at Morningside Heights? Reinforcements on. We're taking fire.
Basoka tuh. Kan?
These guys are like potato chips. Can't beat just one.
Oke, ini di atas. Bukan, suara cewek AA sakit. Apa ya itu ya? Aku nggak pernah denger loh. Tetangga kali. Tetangga. Kenapa itu ya? Nggak tahu juga aku kenapa. Rhino.
Pick on someone your own size, Rhino.
There is no one my size, punk.
Or maybe we could just talk it out.
Oh, come on, Rhino.
Team up. Thought you were a loner.
What?
Beans and eggs, punk. All of life is beans and eggs.
Kayaknya kita harus runtuhin ini deh. Nice, itu dia. Kan? What did I say? No. Air, aduh. Oke, kayaknya bisa ini. Ayo lo. Bukan kayak apa? Bukan kayak suara retransmission. Bukan kayak suara ortuku di kamar sebelah. Kenapa itu? Nggak tahu itu. Nonton film kali. Mana ya? Nonton film kali. Kartumu. Oh no, nggak sempet. Kayaknya nonton film. Emang menurutmu apa itu? Suara apa? Oke. Kayaknya harus cari. Nice. Kayak ada yang besar.
Okay, Rhino. Let's wrap this up.
Nggak tahu deh aku deh sudah. Komen deh aku deh. Halo Boti. Udah kamu apa namanya udah belajar aja benar-benar. Nggak usah mikirin kayak gitu-gitu. Biarin aja itu urusan orang. Nice. Jangan apa gitu. Aduh, lagi ngomong ya. Biarin aja lah. Gitu. Nggak mengganggu juga kan? Scorpionnya sih rada annoying ya. Hey. Waduh, apa itu? Barusan kenapa aku? Oh no. Tuh, ini di darat sih, di darat, cuma kok susah begini? Kenapa tuh? Oke, langsung hantam. Rhino, jangan ganggu dong. Rhino-nya ganggu. Rhino-nya ganggu banget loh. Beginian pula ya. Scorpion. Mana dia? Mana si Scorpion?
Rhino's getting his suit removed. What did Octavius promise you, Scorpion?
Money. Gargan has no principle. He fights for profit. Untrue.
Aduh, return. Ada apa nih? Nggak tahu deh. Kamu tahu nggak bot itu bot? Suara apaan? Jadi apa bang? Aku nggak tahu. Nggak, menurutmu apa? Gitu aja, aku minta pendapatmu. Nice. Rhino, aduh, aku minta pendapatmu aja. Nggak ada barang-barang lagi ya yang bisa dipakai ya. Oh, ini bisa. Nice. Aduh, ini ganggu banget. Wait. Darahku tinggal satu. Tinggal satu. Ups. No. Oke. Sabar, terbang dulu. Nice. Web shooternya bekerja. Wow, oke. Boom. Nice. Aduh, kok nggak? Ini udah dipencet loh itu padahal. No. Rhino. Retention mission. Kita pakai ini deh, terpaksa. Nice, ayo lo. Nice, kelar.
Do you know what Octavius will do if he finds out you failed? I failed? Yes, you freak show!
Di luar tuh masih hujan. Lah, jadi aduh. Apa, yo. Pendapatmu. Aku tidak tahu soalnya.
Just Octavius and Lee left.
Something tells me they won't be as easy. They're only half our problem, though. Devil's Breath cases are getting worse, and Oscorp is being coy about an anti-serum. I'm worried they're seeing dollar signs in the seller's market.
Kok ada base di tengah jalan kayak gini, halo?
Leave Devil's Breath to me. One of my best people is on it.
Hey, MJ.
I've been through the city, state, and federal databases. If this Devil's Breath lab does exist, it's off the books. The only other place I can think to look is in Norman's personal files.
I've already been through his office computer.
The bar with no name.
That building's full of Sable's men. If they spot me, other residents could get hurt in a firefight.
I know, but I might be able to get in undetected. I can sneak in, find the lab's location, and get out. If anything goes wrong, I'll call you for backup.
Okay.
Foto, sempet di foto.
Wait for me to get nearby, then make your move.
I'll be ready.
Itu Sable ya ternyata. Yang biru-biru itu ya, ada pagernya. Pagernya invisible gitu. Tembus pandang. Ayo sini senjatamu. Nih, aku balikin. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Boom. Saber itu. Markasi Sable ya. Wow. Aduh. Kenapa jatuh? Oh, masih banyak begitu-gituannya. Alah. Ayolah. Fokus barnya cepet juga ininya, regennya. Flying Helix Trick Switch. Enggak, bye-bye. Dadah, aku nggak mau ada crime lagi deh. Lagi nggak butuh. Membuang waktu. Langsung aja main mission. Nah.
Okay,
MJ.
I'm a couple blocks away. Let me know if you get into trouble.
Oke, kita pakai MJ sekarang. Pegel, terus kerongkongan, tenggorokan capek.
Thanks, Pete. Wish me luck.
Of course.
Norman's penthouse is on the top floor, but the elevator's on lockdown. Need to get into the security room to unlock it.
Okay.
He'll never survive this. That's the lecture you get to.
Kok orang-orang kayaknya masih masih kayak nggak punya namanya.
Residents are pretty upset. Maybe I can rile them up to create a distraction.
Off limits, ma'am.
Create distraction.
Every second we stay down here, we risk catching that plague.
Definitely stay away from the receptionist. Been coughing up a storm.
What? They have to let us back upstairs.
Why isn't Osborn down here? This sort of thing never happens to him.
The mayor and his friends are exempt. Security let one of his biggest donors back upstairs right away.
I knew it. It's all one big boys club. Come on.
Distraksi mana ini, cuma ngobrol-ngobrol sama orang.
I heard they'll let you up if you claim special circumstances.
Oh, ini tuh apa namanya, apartemen ya?
Come on, let's go talk to security.
Oke, ini dia.
That should do it.
Jerry, get out here. We got a situation.
Oh man, I can't breathe. Let me back up.
Security room's open. Just need to get to the door without being seen.
Everyone, please stay calm. Sable International has nearly finished their sweep. Off limits, ma'am.
Need to go around.
That's what you said an hour ago.
Oke, aman. Bang, nonton YouTuber siapa? Aku apa namanya? Nggak nonton YouTube. Aku lagi nonton film aja, streaming. Keseharianku ya bangun tidur, mandi. Oh, udah gitu aja, mandi. Apa nonton film, series. Habis itu udah streaming. Streaming nanti buka.
Stand by, Control. I heard something.
Good boy. I'm sure Sable offered elevator controls in the security room, next to the Sable agent. Mary Jane Watson, super spy.
Bang, nanti kunci jawaban puzzle-nya aku kasih tahu. Emang ada puzzle di sini? Alert. Oh. Itu pemimpin Sable sama si Norman.
That did it. Norman's clearing out, and the elevator's unlocked. Time to head upstairs.
Yuk. Oke.
Penthouse elevator. This is it.
Ada Sable. Oh, ini dia silver itu ya.
Right on cue.
Find the alarm technician. Fire it.
Bang, nanti coba ke Norman. Nyoba apaan?
Patrolling sector, status clear.
Stupid useless button.
Oh. Berarti nggak ketahuan ya, aman. Kita naik ke ruangannya Norman. Aduh, ya ampun. Aku mau rebahan sambil nonton TV.
Norman's guards have all cleared out. If he's hiding something up here, I'm gonna find it.
Oh iya kan? Ini ada something di sini. Apa ini, helm? Oscorp.
Whoa, this mask is incredible. Is it showing a door hidden in that wall? I wonder where it leads.
Oke, ada sesuatu di situ kayaknya.
Schematics for a prototype combat mask. Looks like it can reveal structural weaknesses.
Oke, coba kita ke sana. Ini katanya
The fabulous
Norman
bids his son farewell. This must be from when Harry left for Europe last year. Why was Norman so dramatic about a trip to Europe?
Bang, main Sniper 3D Android please. Aku nggak main game handphone. Jarang aku main game handphone soalnya.
Norman must like spy movies. Need to find the code for that keypad.
Kayak kurang seru. Mungkin kalau sama temen seru ya. Kalau main sendiri kan boring.
Doors are locked till the system check finishes.
Main Minecraft PS aja, aku nggak punya Minecraft. Aku nggak punya Minecraft. Dari dulu aku nggak pernah bisa main Minecraft. Nggak ngerti aku suruh ngapain. Kayak nyari-nyari kayu, ya kan. Terus ender tuh, explore Norman penthouse. Kemana nih? Ah, ini ada
Scientific journals debating the Spider-Man problem. So weird there's a whole cottage industry focused on explaining Pete's
Ya udah Bang, coba liatin apa aja game yang Abang punya. Nggak bisa diliatin nih kalau aku keluar. Nih aku keluar game nih. Nih. Tuh. Aku keluar game nih. Terjadi adalah biru kayak gitu. Nggak bisa aku liatin jadinya.
MJ, Sable presence downstairs just ballooned. I think Norman's being moved. Worried they might spot me.
I might have had something to do with that. Keep your distance. I should be okay for now.
Oh gitu. Ya kamu nggak ini nyoba apa namanya, nyoba live streaming dari PS? Terus tahu si Dom Willy aja dan nyoba. Halo, kodenya di mana ya? Ya udah sebutin. Claudia, kamu tahu nggak kodenya di mana ini? Dia kan nyari kode. Oh. Examine.
For keypad lock. Looks like he used Harry's last day as the code. That must be the day Harry left for Europe.
Apa itu? Tidak bisa dibaca. Oh, ini dia. Abang keluar nanti ke kamar ya, ini udah. Ini udah.
Harry said his mom used to cook all the time. I'd be surprised if no. Forgot about this. The Osborns
Piring,
have a coat
mahal
of
tuh
arms
piring.
and a motto: Pax in Bello, peace in war. Norman would have a pool. New York is about subway rats and street pizza, not sunbathing.
Terus di salah satu kamar di fotonya ada kuncinya. Oke. Kau masih ingat aja? Kamu baru tamat ya ini ya? Foto.
I used to be so jealous of Harry's family. They were so happy.
Di bingkai, oke. Berarti foto yang di bawah ya.
Emily got sick. Everything changed. Harry's mom planted this when he was born. Looks like Norman has made a point of caring for it now that she's gone.
Recorder nggak perlu.
Beautiful.
Ini apa?
Emily's terminal diagnosis.
Aduh, bukan.
I had no idea it was genetic.
Di salah satu kamar, oke. Ini ya, coba kulihat ini. Ini kamar. Ini apa? Pizza? Oh, bukan. Ini, kayaknya bingkai ini deh.
Wow, they look like they used to be so close.
Ini bukan.
What could have ruined a friendship like this?
Bukan. Ini mungkin. Ini foto nih.
Harry's mom, Emily. We used to make fun of him for calling her the prettiest mom at Midtown, but he might have been right.
Nah, ini dia. Oke, terima kasih.
This must be the key for Harry's room.
Terima kasih, Claudio. Mantap. Ini dia. Itu Bang sebelah kanan. Oke, sudah.
What? This can't be for Harry, can it?
Ada rawat gini.
Why didn't you tell us you were sick? Harry's journal. His last entry is marked July 18.
Oh my god.
That must be the code to that room.
Aduh. Oh. Siapa yang datang? Ada yang datang. Oh, Silver.
We? You are staying here. The antiserum's ready, and I'm going to supervise production.
You will be completely vulnerable without me.
I seem to be completely vulnerable with you. I'm going alone.
New subscriber game Surya Gaming subscribe, yes. Berarti sudah 80 subscriber harusnya. 82 subscriber, hah? Kok bisa tiba-tiba 82?
Not without alerting him. Somebody spiked Sable's coffee today. Her men are set on double secret
probation alert.
Okay, then stay ready. I've almost got the location.
82, mantap. Langsung. Oh, no. Yes, Serranos. Nice, kita take down yang nggak perlu. Kita ini aja. Bisa lewat sini kan? Nggak bisa loh. Udah 82, mantap. OTW 100, ayo. Bisa nih. Oh, rame dong. No. Bang, abis lewatin penjaga Sable nanti ke bunker ada puzzle kuncinya dari Michael Record Bravo Patrol. Oke. Nanti aku lihat lagi komennya. Masuk ruangan dulu kan ini. Here we go. Come on.
July 18.
Ingat-ingat jadiin moderator dong, Bang. Boleh. Tuh. Jangan macem-macem asal ya.
Gotta find the location of the Devil's Breath lab.
Dah,
Something in this room must be useful. Norman's got a real mad scientist thing going on.
Apa ini? Recorder.
Harry and Emily's medical records. GR27 was developed to treat them.
Apa ini?
Devil's Breath is a failed cure for Norman's own family.
Oh, ini kayaknya.
Wow. Norman wins the fancy map contest.
Oscorp Building.
Looks like the Upper West Side.
Sable Patrol.
Sable troop deployments. They're stationed all over the city.
Wih, moderator pertama. Enggak kan, waktu itu udah ada bot.
This shows all of Oscorp's properties.
Duh.
No idea they own so
Emang kalau
much
menjadi
more.
moderator bisa apa? Bisa hapus komen orang. Iya.
Looks like Norman's
Udah itu
tracking
aja.
Dr. Michael's movements.
Bisa ngapus komen orang. Biar lebih tertib. Asal jangan asal hapus ya, kamu ya, awas loh.
I bet I can find the Devil's Breath lab with this. It must be an Oscorp property with a ton of Sable protection, frequented by Dr. Michaels. Oscorp building, but no Michaels or Sable. None of these patrols cross Dr. Michaels' path.
Ini?
Bet I'm looking for a heavily guarded Oscorp building that Dr. Michaels visits.
Oke,
Don't
ini.
think I've chosen the right categories. Nope, that's just a Sable patrol.
Apa kamu nyari apa, MJ?
Dr. Michaels went to this Oscorp building, but there's no security detail. This can't be it. Oscorp building, but no Michaels or Sable. That's none of these patrols cross Dr. Michaels'
Ini
path.
kan? Ini kan?
Nope, that's just a Sable patrol.
Coba aku cek satu-satu ini.
None of these
Bukan
patrols
yang
cross
belakang
Dr.
sana.
Michaels' path. Don't think I've chosen the right categories.
Yoi lah, dari Michael Record Bravo. Bentar. Michael Record Bravo. Mana nih? Yang mana nih? Aku nggak nyimak si AMJ tadi.
Looks wrong. Nope, that's just a Sable patrol.
Aku nggak nyimak tadi soalnya.
Looks like a map.
Coba
of the Upper West
kasih
Side.
tahu yang mana aja. Aku nggak nyimak dia ngomong soalnya. Dr. Michael.
Dr. Strong. Isn't he a robotics expert?
Oh, dokter. Oh, oke.
No move. Dr. Michaels leads the Devil's
Dr.
Breath.
Michael.
Where a commercial, wow.
Record.
Bravo. Bravo.
Oke, nah
GR27.
ini dia.
That's the code name for Devil's Breath. This is it.
Oke, terima kasih.
Isn't that? I knew it. 10th and Cathedral, Oscorp's records department. Perfect place to hide a secret biotech.
Kamu udah tamat, Claudio? Kok kayak semua ini game kayak veteran? Iya, dia udah tamat. Waktu aku pertama kali main, udah tahu dia.
I will be right next door. Just relax and let the medicine do its work.
Siapa? Martin Lee. Aduh. Oh, pantesan si Lee nggak suka sama Norma. Dijadiin bahan percobaan. Oh, oke. Kok tegang nih?
They started all this. They created Lee. I have to get this.
Laba-laba. Kok laba-laba? Ay. Oh.
Who's there?
Oh. Ayo, udah ke download. Ayo, cepetan. Silver. Apakah MJ bakal duel sama si Silver? Apa teori apa itu? Oh, laba-laba spesial kayaknya ya.
We have a breach. High alert.
Oke, berarti nggak kegigit dia ya.
Pete, I've got the lab location and a lot more. How far away are you?
2 avenues over. Say the word and I'm there.
Great. Keep the motor running.
Nice.
Nothing to report.
Hampir aja. Langsung kotak. Nice. Di depan rame. Wah, lah. Ada dia tiba-tiba. Aduh. Apa salahku? Kau buat begini.
Need to clear that balcony.
Oke. Kayaknya Peter bakal kesini deh. Oh.
Pete, you here?
Turning off lights now. Are you okay?
We'll be in a few seconds. Northwest corner.
Iya ya. Dia punya pistol. Senjata kenapa nggak di ini aja?
You ready?
Wait, hold on.
It's too late. You're up.
Oke. Selamat.
You are crazy.
You're amazing.
Mau nanti endingnya Peter human. Udah, nggak apa-apa. Mereka kok yang ini, yang memutuskan, bukan aku. Bagaimanapun endingnya ya terima aja. Namanya juga game, sama kayak kamu nonton film. Emang kadang ada ending-ending yang kesel, ada ending-ending yang sedih. Walaupun kebanyakan bahagia ya. Cuma ya terima aja.
It's all so much to take in. Harry's sick, Norman and Lee, and Dr. Octavius.
I know.
This is all my fault.
No, not this song again. You are not alone anymore, Pete. Let Miles and me look after Feast.
Aku udahan aja ya. Udah jam berapa jam ini? Sudah 3 jam.
Thanks.
3,5 jam. Oke, aku udahan aja deh. Langsung udahan aku. Aku mau siap-siap buka. Ya masih lama sih, masih 4:30. Cuma ya siapa tahu bisa bantu-bantu. Jangan bang, aku udah capek, Claudio. Udah capek ngomong aku. Besok siang aku live lagi, oke? Atau nanti malam, nggak tahu deh. Aku live lagi, pasti live lagi kok. Oke? Sampai sini dulu. Besok kita live lagi, kita lanjutin. Ini udah dikit lagi tamat kok. Tapi besok 2 game ya. Kok besok 2 game? 1 dong. Masa 2? Oke?